Dear children, this is the second module we are going to discuss. In this module, we are going to discuss about how to trim the functions or how to trim the data content in a file. Removing white spaces after reading from the file. Read and read line reads the data from the file and return it in the form of string, and read lines returns the data in the form of a list. That we already discussed how the read lines function executes in a text file. All these read functions also read leading and trailing white spaces, that is the space before and after a string value. New line characters, that is new line characters in the sense what? That is /n. Then if you want to remove these characters, you can use the functions like space strip, L space strip, that is left space strip, R space strip. The strip function removes the given character from the both ends, that is in the before and after of a string. Then L strip means what? Removes given character from the left end. Then R strip removes the given character from right end. Look at the example which I had given. I had opened a file name ipl.txt. Within that, I had read by default mode, that is read mode. So the file which is opened for reading. Line 1 which reads line, that is read lines means what? It will read the first line, that is Mumbai Indians. After that it is having some line. Print the length of the line. Look at the example. Look at the output. The first one, that is 15. Actually it is having only 14 characters including /n. So it will remove the new line character. Then line 2. R strip /n. So what we are going to give /n. So that particular value will be deleted. Then print length of the line is, again we are printing the exact line, the exact character which is in a line, that is only 14 because we had reduced /n in the right hand side. Then again I am trying to read the next line. Read line of Chennai Super Kings. Before that I had left some spaces, that is /t. So if I am trimming or stripping the values in the left side, so my total length will be, exact length will be 25. Then after trimming, after stripping, I'll get only 19. So my dear children, the strip, L strip and R strip are the functions which we can use for removing the white spaces, including /n, that is /n also we can remove. So you can try this function in your system. The next we are going to discuss about the file pointer. Every file maintains a file pointer, that is it's like a cursor which tells the current position in the file where reading and writing operation will take. When we perform any read-write operation, two things happens. The operation at the current position of the file pointer advances by the specified number of bytes. So my dear children, if you use the read function, it will read the entire file content and the file pointer moves to the end. And if you are having a string with 15 character and you are reading only 6 character, so the file pointer between will be in between 6 and 7. So beginning of 7. So the file pointer exact stands before 7. So that is the use of a file pointer. If you want to place the file pointer, then it is very easy. Let me give the detailed description how it happens. I am having a file like IPL. There I am having Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings. File pointer will be default. By default at the first position, that is first character, that is M. Then ch equal to my file read of 1. So ch will store the file character, that is first character is consumed, and file pointer will move to the next character, like that. Actually the cursor will be in between M and U. So the pointer points to the second character only. At beginning or at the beginning, we are having the file pointer on the first character. If you read one character, the file pointer moves to the second one. If you read 10 characters, the file pointer moves to the 11th character. Like that, the use of the file pointer is like a cursor. If you want to store the or move the file pointer, it depends upon the read and write functions. Then file modes and opening positions of the file pointer. If you are reading either binary file or a text file, or if you are reading and writing, first to read then write, it will be in the beginning of the file. Then write W, that is write W represents writing. And if you are opening a file with the write mode, beginning of the file overwrites the file if already exists. Then A, that is for append. So if you are opening a file pointer for appending, the file pointer will be at the end of the file exists, otherwise it creates a new file. So as we discussed earlier, the file pointer, if you're opening a file for reading, it will be in the beginning, and writing it again in the beginning, and for appending only the file pointer will be at the end of the content, otherwise it will ready for overwrite. My dear children, already we discussed about the standard input and output of Python in the +1. What do you mean by standard input? That is the input values you had given with the keyboard. What is the standard output? That is in the monitor. What is the standard error? It will be displayed in the monitor. The standard input devices reads from keyboard. That is, it reads the data from the keyboard. Instead of reading from the file, it reads from the keyboard. Normally we will use, or we had used the file point, that is the input from the keyboard. In the file handling only, we had got the data or the input from the file from a disk. Then standard output devices which displays the output in the monitor. Standard error devices which is same as standard output, but normally for errors only. So my dear children, the standard input and output and the error system is nothing but the keyboard and monitor. I think you are all clear about what are all the topics we had discussed. If you are having any doubt, please clarify while we are meeting in the online session. Thank you.